In this video, I will be showing you how to fix YouTube when it has no sound. Let's get started. First, I open Google Chrome, click on the search bar, type in YouTube, and press enter to search. From the search results, I click on the YouTube link to open the website. Once YouTube loads, I go to the upper right corner of Google Chrome, click the three vertical dots menu, and select Settings. In the Settings menu on the left side, I click on Privacy and Security. Then, I scroll down and select Site Settings. Next, I scroll down further and click on Additional Content Settings to expand the section, then click on Sound. Here under Default Behavior, I see that it is set to Don't Allow Sites to Play Sound. I change this setting by selecting sites that can play sound. Now, I go back to the YouTube tab. I right-click on the YouTube tab at the top of the browser window to open the context menu, but then I click away to close it. Next, I check my computer's system audio settings. I right-click the speaker icon on the taskbar again and this time select Open Volume Mixer. Here, under the Apps section, I check the slider for Google Chrome. I see that Google Chrome is muted, so I drag the volume slider up to 100 to ensure the browser sound is fully turned on. I also check the system sound slider, adjust it briefly, and set it back up. Then, I close the volume mixer window. Finally, I return to YouTube, scroll down, and click on a video to play it. As the video starts playing, I move my cursor over to the video player's controls and hover over the speaker icon to make sure the video itself is unmuted and the volume slider is turned up. The audio is now working properly, and the issue is completely fixed. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.